How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your Squarespace store to a Google search engine console. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to log into your Squarespace account or your Squarespace store or admin console as an administrator. So once you guys are here, you actually have two options. You could either use the magnifying glass to look for the setting that you're looking for, which is the Google console, or you can click on analytics. So let's actually do it the easy way. Click on analytics. So once you guys are here, some of you may receive this pop-up if your store is new, but you can just skip it. So once you guys are here, you want to look for the search keywords tab, which is this setting right here, or option I should say. So right away, you'll see that there's a prompt saying Google search keywords, where you actually get to connect your Google Search Console to your Squarespace store. So it reads, verify your site with Google Search Console to learn which search keywords are driving traffic to your site and how to optimize your site's performance in search results. So you simply want to click on connect, and you want to log into your Google account. Actually, a new window, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but a new window will pop up on the same browser asking you to log into your Google Analytics account. So what will happen here is you just want to log in, confirm, and actually make the connection, and you guys are done. Now everything, like the statistics, the data, the clicks, the views, the engagements, and whatever, will be shown here on Shopify. And yeah, that's how oh, not Shopify, I mean Squarespace. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.